Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new here, how you doing? Hey, hello. Today I am going to serve you up this beautiful look with black owned products, okay? So let's go ahead. I'm not gonna hold you. Before this video ends, make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I post videos weekly, okay? It might be at the end of the week, you know what I'm saying? Or it might be in the middle of the week, but I post videos weekly. Let's get started with this video, okay? So first up on the list, which I've shown you guys time and time again on my channel, I'm going to do my foundation with my favorite foundation in the whole wide universe as of right now, Fenty Beauty. This was a part of their second launch of foundations, and this is the shade 445. 445 is an olive undertone, and a lot of people don't even know that there's such thing as a green or olive undertone, and guess what, guys? There is. So this happens to be my favorite foundation to use all day, every week, every second, every minute. Do you understand? Because it's my skin in a bottle, literally poured out on me. So we're going to switch on over to number 420 in Fenty Beauty's concealer. Concealer is so awesome. It just feels so good. Now, if she made a foundation in this formula, ooh, first of all, it would have to be full coverage. I would assume that this would be a full coverage foundation if she decided to do a foundation in this formula, because this is so nice and it has such a beautiful finish. I really like to use the concealer 498 as a contour shade now because you don't need as much. I actually have switched the espresso over to kind of bronze up my face. Who knew? I really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this first. We're gonna get this spit up and get it cracking. All right, I've done a full review on these products, and I will leave a link for that because I really want to get to the products that I've never shown on my channel before. I really want to get into them and try them out with you guys. Now that I've got my Fenty base, I got the base for the eyes, the base for the face, all of that done, I want to get into the eyes, and I'm going to start with the Colored Rain Berry Cutie palette. This is their 6-pan palette. You can get it online on their website right now. It was $25 and now it's $18. I found it at Target for 20 bucks. And that's perfectly fine. Don't mind spending it. I thought this was so cute, and I am excited to try it out. I think I'm gonna start with Kiss Berry. Hey now, pigment. Let me zoom in. Ooh, this is pretty. This could be a pretty blush. But I'm gonna wash this out into my crease. I want it to be more of like sitting in the background, chilling like a villain on a Saturday afternoon, you know what I'm saying? Have you tried any of Colored Rain's products? If so, which one's your favorite? List them below because I definitely want to try more of their products, because although Target does have these products in their store, I know it's limited. Right now, there's not a whole lot of selection, but I am happy that I can buy them right up front, because sometimes I really just hate waiting. Like, if I can get my hands on it right then and there, I'm like, take all the coins. So I'm happy that I found this in Target. I'm gonna go in with Love Berry and put that here in the corner. Hey Love Berry, how you doing? I just want to focus that curve right there in the corner of my eye. And for guidance, I use the outer corner of my eye and just flick it up into that curve right above your lid. And then I just go from there. This berry is so cute. I haven't even dipped into these shimmers yet, and I'm already excited. These palettes are super beginner friendly, so I do love this. A 6-pan palette with beautiful shades like this. Next, I'm going to dip into Pinkleberry. I'm going to place that right here in the center. Y'all, this palette is so easy to use. If you don't know what Target to look into, you can always look on Target's website and just kind of figure out if there's one near you that has the Colored Rain products. Next, I'm gonna dip into Palm Berry. That is this shade right here. Yeah, I'm about to order all the things, okay? This is so pretty. Look at how pretty that looks. This pigment literally just sits on top. And some of y'all probably like, duh, Brittany, you should have been knew that, okay? Well, you know, there's a first time for everything, guys. Okay. Little blueberry, purple berry, kissing berry. Little smoked of the eye, okay? It's a little sassy, little sultry, little flirty. She a little all of those things. I like that a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes and my liner on, and we're gonna finish out the face with the rest of the products that I want to show you. Okay, we are back, and the last thing that I'm gonna do for my eyes is add the Purple Berry matte shade in the corner of my eyes, and I want to see how that looks. It's not as light as I would have hoped it would be, but it's still pretty. I think I can bring that down that way. And I think what I'm gonna actually go back in and do is add the Pinkleberry back. Yeah, that looks a lot better. The Purple Berry looked like a really light lavender to me, so I figured maybe it would look better, but I think this finish will just look a lot better with the Pinkleberry shine in the corner of the eyes. Ew, she is cute or whatever. Now I want to move on to the cheeks. This palette is currently on my Instagram. I showed it like a real quick snippet. I think this is so cute. And this just comes along and it just reminds me, spring is just around the corner, okay? I don't want my lighting to keep adjusting itself, so I'm just gonna put it up here. So I'm gonna dip into Sip Sip Hooray. And it is just such a pretty light finish. I love that it's buildable though, because that's the second swipe. I mean, look at that. It's so pretty. The next one, I'm going to dip into the 24th Champagne Diet. Oh, that is so cute. And it has like a nice melon pink finish in it. Okay, and that is it for the face. Last but not least, we got to do the lips. And the lip we are going to use is by the Lip Bar in the shade Boy Trouble. Oh, that is so orange. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I am living for the Lip Bar and this lip honey. My lips are jumping off the screen. I love a lip that is talking, honey. And she is talking. She is running her mouth, all right? So let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you tried all of these products? I know I'm late to the party, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. But you guys, I'm here now. I've showed up. I can be fashionably late, can I not? Man, kudos to Target, because I was literally about to order a lot of these products online just so that I can have them and have more options in my makeup collection. More beautiful palettes from more Black owners. Like, oh, my face is fire. Okay guys, let me know in the comments below, what else do I need to try? What else do I need to have on my channel? What else do you want to see on my channel? I thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.